Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good day everyone. Meet me again in chapter 5 integration in subtopic 5.1 integration of functions part 2. At the end of this video, you will be able to use basic rule of integration. We have 4 basic rules of integration. Rule number 1, if you have integration of 1 dx equals to 1x plus c. For example, we have integration of 6 dx, so it is equal to 6x plus c. Rule number 2, power rule of integration, where we have integration of x to the power of n dx equals to x to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c, where n doesn't equal to negative 1. For example, when we have x to the power of 5, we integrate with respect to x. We get x to the power of 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 plus c. So it is equals to x to the power of 6 over 6 plus c. Rule number 3, when we have integration of k fx, where k is the coefficient of function f, we can factorize k and integrate function f. For example, we have integration 4 times 2x to the power of 3. We can factorize 4 and integrate 2x cubed. So we get 4 times 2x to the power of 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 plus c. So it is equals to 2x to the power of 4 plus c. Rule number 4, we have summation or subtraction properties. If we have integration of fx plus minus gx, so we can integrate fx and gx separately before we add it or subtract it. For example, we have integration 2x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 dx. So we can integrate 2x to the power of 5 and 3x to the power of 4 separately. So we get 2x to the power of 5 plus 1 over plus 5 plus 1 plus 3x to the power of 4 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 plus c. And we simplify, we get x to the power of 6 over 3 plus 3x to the power of 5 over 5 plus c. Let us see some example. Okay, we have integration of x to the power of 3 over 2. Okay, to integrate x to the power of 3 over 2 dx, we can use power rule of integration. By applying power rule of integration, the integration of x to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to x to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1 plus c. And then we simplify the function. We get 2 over 5 x to the power of 5 over 2 plus c. Example B. We have integration of x times 7x plus 3 dx. First step, we expand the function. We get integration of 7x squared plus 3x dx. By applying summation or subtraction properties of integration, we can integrate fx and gx separately. So means that we can separately integrate 7x squared and 3x. By applying rule number 3, so we can factorize 7 and 3 outside the integral. Next step, by using power rule, we can integrate the first term as 7 times x to the power of 2 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 and integrate the second term as 3x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. After that, we simplify the integration. Example 3. We have integral of x squared minus x over 1 minus x dx. First step, we factorize negative x. We eliminate negative x plus 1 over 1 minus x. So we can simplify the function as negative x. Integrate negative x dx. By using power rule again, so integration of negative x dx, we get negative x to the power of 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1 plus c. Then the final answer is negative x squared over 2 plus c. Last one, the integration of 3 over x to the power of 4 plus 1 over cube root of x minus 2 dx. First step, we simplify the function. And then, using the rule of summation and subtraction of integral, we can integrate the three terms separately. In the first term, we can use coefficient. In the first term, we can use coefficient rule. So, by using coefficient rule of the integration, we can factorize 3. The first term and third term, we can integrate by using power rule. Simplify the integral as negative 1 over x cubed plus 3 over 2 x to the power of 2 over 3 minus 2x plus c. That's all for today. Let's do some exercise and please submit to your lecturer.